I never dreamed that a muddy field held the key to my biggest adventure. It was just another day until I saw it. A colossal shape, half sunk in the earth, forgotten by time. An abandoned monster truck. As I got closer, the sheer scale of it was breathtaking. My face must have shown pure awe, but in that moment, a vision sparked in my mind. I ran my hand over the rusted frame, peered into the decaying engine bay, and a sense of hopeful determination took root. This wasn't just scrap metal, it was a sleeping giant. The decision was made. When the deal was done, a smile of pure excitement spread across my face. It was mine. Getting it out was the first real test. A heavy-duty tow truck strained, its cables groaning as they fought the thick, sucking mud that had held the truck captive for years. I watched every second, a knot of anxiety tightening in my stomach. What if the frame buckled? What if it was too far gone? But as it slowly broke free from the earth, my anxiety gave way to a steely resolve. This was happening. This was real. The beast was finally on its way home, ready for its second chance. The restoration was a long and grueling journey, a true test of will. I remember one particular afternoon, wrestling with a massive, rusted-out bolt on the suspension. My knuckles were raw, my muscles screamed, and frustration was building. My face was a mask of pure concentration, refusing to be beaten. Then came the first true victory. After weeks of painstaking work, the rebuilt engine sat gleaming on a stand. I turned the key, and with a deafening roar, it burst into life. The sound was pure power, and I felt a wave of pride and relief wash over me. My face lit up. The heart of the beast was beating again. Finally, the day came for the final touches. I stood back, watching the professional painters apply a deep, glossy coat of paint, and a sense of awe filled me. The vision that had sparked in that muddy field was finally becoming a stunning reality. The moment of the reveal felt surreal. There it stood, fully restored, shining under the workshop lights. It was more magnificent than I had ever imagined. My eyes were wide with a pride and joy that ran so deep it was almost overwhelming. I climbed into the cab, took a deep breath, and turned the key. The engine erupted with a triumphant, ground-shaking roar, and I couldn't help but let out a loud, joyous laugh. It was alive. This wasn't just about rebuilding a machine. It was about chasing a dream. Now, cinematic slow-motion shots capture the truck in its element, tearing through deep mud, sending waves of earth flying into the air. The camera cuts to me in the driver's seat, a massive grin on my face, cheering with pure, unadulterated exhilaration. Every splash, every roar, every moment of airtime is a testament to the journey. From a forgotten relic in a muddy grave to a thundering titan, this restoration was more than a project. It was a triumph of passion and persistence.